Now discuss about multiple fission, student. What about the multiple fission? Division of parent body into many smaller individuals. Student, individual organism belongs from the protozoa phylum. That is the organism when it is entered into the multiple fission, that is divided into many smaller individuals. Okay, and during unfavorable conditions, organism protozoans goes to the multiple fission during unfavorable conditions. It is important. And in the multiple fission, nucleus goes to many mitotic divisions. Single nucleus present in the protozoans. Some animals like a paramecium that consist two nucleus. One is the macronucleus, another one is the micronucleus. Nucleus goes to the many division. These are mitotic divisions. And daughter nuclei, more daughter nucleus produces. And it follows cytoplasmic division. Cytoplasm is also divided into smaller bits. Each one of the cytoplasmic bit that surrounds or encircles the daughter nucleus, student. Okay, and divides into many smaller individuals. Okay, this is about the multiple fission. Student, different types of the multiple fission. Scheizogeny. Scheizant is the one of the stage in the life history of many protozoans. Scheizant goes to the scheizogeny. Male gametogeny. Male gametogeny, it is the process of multiple fission that produces male gametes, student. Okay, next, sporogeny in plasmodium. Sporogeny in plasmodium. Sporogeny, it is the asexual reproduction or the multiple fission that is appeared in life history of the plasmodium. Sporogeny, by the sporogeny, plasmodium life history produces more number of the sporozoites. When it is goes to the sporogeny, daughter individuals are produces called sporozoite. Sporulation in amoeba. Sporulation in amoeba. Amoeba goes to the multiple fission by the process of sporulation. Spores are developed from the surface of the parent individual or amoeba. These are the spores are separated from the parent amoeba and develops into new individuals. Sexual reproduction, student. What about the sexual reproduction? Now entered into sexual reproduction in protozoans. Two mature individuals participate in this. Two mature individuals. Student, two adult individuals are participate in sexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, that is by the single individual. Okay. Next, in sexual reproduction, fusion of male and female gametes. There is also production of the male gamete and the female gamete. These are the gametes are fused with each other in the sexual reproduction. And gametes are applied gametes. Okay. Only these are the chromosomes present in the nucleus. Single set of the chromosomes present in the nucleus, which is present in the gamete, that is called applied gametes. Okay, applied gamete, both of male and the female gametes are applied gametes because single set of the chromosomes present in the nucleus of each gamete or male gamete or female gamete. Both of the gametes are fused with each other, nucleus also combined with each other, and forms the diploid zygote. Two sets of the chromosomes present in the nucleus which are formed in zygote, which are present in the zygote. It is a slow process when it is compared to the asexual reproduction. Offsprings are not identical to parents. Students, individuals, daughter ones produced by the sexual reproduction, these are individuals are not identical to the parents. Similar type of the characters is not seen in the individuals which are produced from the sexual reproduction. Okay, different characters, different types of the characters present in the individuals that are produced by the sexual reproduction. Next, in protozoans, what about the sexual reproduction? Asexual reproduction in protozoans. It with the fusion of pronuclei. What about the pronuclei? Pronuclei, that means haploid gametic nuclei. Student, in protozoans, if you observe sexual reproduction, pronuclei are develops in individuals. Nucleus is disappeared and it is replaced with the pronuclei. Pronuclei means this is the haploid gametic nuclei. Haploid gametic nuclei. Haploid gametic nuclei means it is behave like a gamete. This is the pronuclei which is produced from the nucleus of the protozoan. This is a behave like a gamete, female gamete or male gamete. Single set chromosomes present in the nucleus, hence it is called haploid gametic nuclei, with or without formation of the gametes. Sexual reproduction is possible in the protozoans by the formation of the pronuclei, which are act as a haploid gametic nuclei, or formation of the gametes. Students, by the formation of the gametes, protozoans goes to the sexual reproduction, or the formation of the pronuclei, this goes to sexual reproduction. Next, genetic recombination occurs during the formation of the pronuclei. Student, when pronuclei are develops or produces form, these are produced by meiotic crossovers. Meiotic crossing over occurs at the formation of the pronuclei. Student, this is the meiotic crossing over. When meiotic crossing over is occurs in the formation of the pronuclei, this is a chance for genetic recombination. Student, genetic recombination is occurs during the formation of the pronuclei due to the occurrence of the meiotic crossing over, and it is also genetic recombination is also occurs due to the fusion of the gametes. Student, next, in protozoans, sexual reproduction is by two types. One is the syngamy, another one is conjugation. What about the syngamy? Syngamy means fusion of gametes. Syngamy means fusion of gametes. Two gametes, fusion of the male and the female gamete is called syngamy. It is divided into three types in protozoans. Isogamy, fusion of similar gametes. Student, similar gametes, that means both of the male and the female gametes are similar in size and the shape. That is the syngamy between two similar gametes called isogamy. It is present in monocystis. It is important. Anisogamy, fusion of dissimilar gametes. Both male and the female gametes are dissimilar in size and the shape. These two gametes fused with each other, that is called anisogamy. Example, plasmodium. Anisogamy appeared in Plasmodium. Life history of Plasmodium. Hologamy. These are the individuals which are not actually these are not produces gametes. Entire the body of individual organism behave like a gamete student. That is called hologamy. Example, trichonympha. Trichonympha is the example. Next, conjugation. What about the conjugation? Student, conjugation means it is the one type of the sexual reproduction present in protozoans. The conjugation is defined by Victor Mann, scientist. According to the Victor Mann, conjugation is defined as temporary union between two senile ciliates, student. It is mostly present, conjugation is mostly present in ciliates. It is the temporary union between two senile ciliates. Senile means aged individuals. Weakness is also present in these two individuals. Belong to two different mating types. Student, there is no relationship between two senile animals, senile individuals, senile ciliates, belonging from the two different mating types. Student, mating is for exchange of the nuclear material. Student, temporary union between two senile animals. This is the meeting between two different individuals, different mating types, for the exchange of the nucleus material. Both of the individuals exchange it nucleus material present in the nucleus, and it's reorganization. Both of the individuals, both of the mating types, nucleus are newly formed after the exchange of the nucleus material between two individuals. That is called conjugation. It is ciliates goes to the conjugation at the time of the unfavorable conditions, and by the conjugation in ciliates, organisms provides, restores vigor and vitality. Vigor means good health, and vitality, strength, and another active. Okay, student, restores vigor and vitality. Okay, which animals shows conjugation? Example, Paramecium verticella. Paramecium verticella goes to the conjugation and produce newly daughter individuals.